Now, function area of management. In first area, marketing management. If we are briefly understand the marketing management, it is to provide goods to the customer from producer. It is available of product from producer to customer. To get that information about how much market demand works in the market, what is the demand of the people, okay, about the product, okay. It is activity of providing goods and services from producer to customer, and to satisfy the customer and consumer according to their need, according to their requirement, according to their demand, okay. Here, what is demand? It is your homework, okay. In economics, you understand about the demand. So what is demand? It is your homework. Search it in Google and it is your homework. You can take a screenshot, you can write down on a notes and submit your homework in this video lectures, okay. When I give your homework in when I share the link to you, okay. Now here, that is function of marketing management. Here different satisfaction of the customer and consumer about the product, like as a quality, quantity, packaging, reasonable price, according to weightage, before services, after services, when there we are booking of the some product, okay, on online marketing. So if there is a delay, so it is a before services of the product. Now after some products is defected, so it is a after services of the product. So these points are carry on the marketing, and it is a when business are want to retain their customer in a long time period. So here it is to take care this type of points before sales services and after sales services, and about the product quality, quantity, packaging, designing, and at a reasonable price. And most it is important that it is available in the market when it's a demand of the product, okay. Now we are going to the functions of marketing management. So here, product and product mix. So here, product and product means about the product and its appearance of the product, means उसका देखाव कैसा है product का. Now here it is product like color, size, shape, weight, print, packaging, guarantee of work, and after sales services. It's all are merging in this product mix, means starting from the before sales services and from product quality and after sales services. These all points are taken in the product mix. So here about the color, we are if illiterate persons are not read the product name, but about this color and pictures in the product, so they can also understand, yes, this is product we are using, okay. Now like example of Parle biscuit, example of Nirma washing powder. So these types of pictures and coloring we can understand, yes, this is product we are using. So it is also retaining of the customer if for a long time period. Like color about the dairy milk product, it is generally dairy milk product is a dark navy blue color, okay. So this is, and Balaji product, so here pictures in a chips, okay. So this is the about the color. Now size, and according to the size, shape, weight, if price we are given 5 rupees a according to the weight, means in a gram quantity also it is a reasonable. अब जो बालाजी की चिप्स खाते हो आप, ये तो यस ये तो कितना बड़ा सा है, बट जब खाते हो और आपको पता चलता है कि यस 10 रुपए की चिप्स में भी 5 रुपए की क्वांटिटी का अकॉर्डिंग है. तो जो क्वांटिटी एंड क्वालिटी बोथ आर इम्पोर्टेंट बिकॉज, और आप अगर आप गोपाल की सेव खाते हो आपको पता चलेगा यस इसमें क्वांटिटी ज़्यादा है, बट आलू की जो वेफर है बालाजी की प्रोडक्ट्स वो खाओगे तो इसमें क्वांटिटी कम है. तो वी आर मोर प्रेफरेंस टू गोपाल. ओके, सो हियर also see that the weightage, quantity. Now print, packaging and guarantee of work. जो गुड्स हम जो भी परचेज करते हैं उसकी गारंटी, वारंटी, आफ्टर सेल सर्विस, मेंटेनिंग. ओके, समटाइम्स वी आर परचेसिंग व्हीकल, तो फर्स्ट टाइम सर्विसेज आर फ्री फॉर इन अ व्हीकल. तो जब भी हम सर्विस करवाते हैं व्हीकल की तो वो फ्री होती है. ना गारंटी भी उससे 3 साल 4 साल के होंगे, गारंटी भी होती है, मेंटेनेंस भी होते हैं. सो दिस पॉइंट्स आर included in the product bills and this is retaining of the customer in the business for a long time period. Now here better quality means price, about the better quality at a reasonable price. Okay, so we are taking some points about the price policy, discount policy, credit policy, commission to agent, this is also our expenses, commission to salesman and distribution channel expenses, advertisement expenses about the from the product. So here this type of expenses are included in the product and we are decide yes now this price is of this प्रोडक्ट. ओके, कोई भी प्रोडक्ट की हम अगर प्राइस को निकालना है, प्राइस डिसीजन मेकिंग, इट इज आल्सो क्वेश्चन अ वाइडर टर्म एंड इट इज अ चैप्टर इन दिस मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट. सो हियर प्राइस मेकिंग के लिए हम कितने सारे पॉइंट्स को देखेंगे. जब हम प्रोडक्शन कर रहे होते हैं उस टाइम जितना हमारा एक्सपेंस लेगा, मतलब मेकिंग ऑफ प्रोडक्ट दैट एक्सपेंसेस. ओके, वो एक्सपेंसेस हम इंक्लूड करेंगे. देन फिर उसकी हम लोग अगर क्रेडिट पॉलिसी, डिस्काउंट पॉलिसी हम लोग उसकी रिड्यूस करिए 10% ऑफ वी आर डिस्काउंटिंग एट ओरिजिनल प्राइस, तो भी हमें प्रॉफिट होना चाहिए. उस अकॉर्डिंग हम डिस्काउंट पॉलिसी डिसाइड करेंगे. नाउ क्रेडिट पॉलिसी वी आर गिवन, अगर हम अगर किसी पर्सन को, कस्टमर को अगर हम क्रेडिट बेसिस पे अगर प्रोडक्ट सेल करें तो भी हमें प्रॉफिट होना चाहिए. उस अकॉर्डिंगली हम प्राइस क्या डिसाइड करेंगे. वी आर गिव कमीशन टू एजेंट एंड सेल्समैन 5%, 10% of the product they are selling of the product. So according to this expense is also including here. Now distribution channel, wholesaler, we are distribute our product to wholesaler, retailer, so that distribution channel also, that expense is also here including in this price making decision. Then we are decide our price of the product. Okay, not only for this term कि जो हमने प्रोडक्शन बनाया है कि उस पर हमारे इतना एक्सपेंस लगा, उस अकॉर्डिंग हम लोग डिसाइड नहीं करेंगे प्राइस. बाकी आफ्टर वी आर गिव सेल्स सर्विसेज एंड ड्यूरेशन वी आर सेल्स ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट, वो जितना भी एक्सपेंस है वो सारा एक्सपेंसेस हम क्या करेंगे, इंक्लूड करेंगे इन अ प्राइस. तो दिस इज आल्सो मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट. नाउ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, हियर वेरियस वे of distribute our goods to the direct customer and consumer. Okay, now here consumer तक हमें goods को पहुंचाने के लिए, उनके तक goods तक जाने के लिए 2 ways है, direct and indirect. Okay, now here direct and indirect to the customer reaching for the goods. So here direct क्या, producer sell direct to the customer. Okay, from there agent, online. Okay. Now this is online distribution channel is a wider using by the customer and producer, because here this channel are very expensive and price are high when we are using this type of channel. But here also there are advantages and disadvantages of online distribution channel and offline distribution channel of the product to the direct customer and consumer. We are understanding in a detail in this chapter. Okay. Now here promotion. It is increasing in sale. If we are want to increase our sale to the customer in the market and retained in the market, stand in the business in the market, so it is very expensive and it is large expensive, okay, for the business, but it is a profitable after long time period of a time. I give some example about the Fair and Lovely cream of a Shah Rukh Khan for a boys. So they have advertisement expense occurred crore in a rupees of crore. So here these expenses are very large, but it is profitable for a long time period because customers are attractive through the brand of the शाहरुख. ओके, कि जब हम ऐसा सोचते हैं कि यार शाहरुख खान जब क्रीम लगाता है वो इतना हैंडसम, तो हम भी क्यों नहीं. So that they are attractive and they are purchasing more and retained in the business. एंड जब हम और सम अदर एग्जांपल जब हम देखते शांति आंवला प्रोडक्ट देखते हैं, विद्या बालन का यार लंबे से बाल कर दिए, और तेरे इसके इतने ये तेल लगाने से इसके बाल इतने लंबे, इतने काले, इतने घने, वाह 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 वाह. तो ये क्या है हमारी एडवर्टाइजमेंट, बट दिस इज वेरी फेक एडवर्टाइजमेंट. वी आर नॉट रिलायबल, वी आर डोंट ट्रस्ट ऑन दिस टाइप ऑफ एडवर्टाइजमेंट. ओके, जो भी प्रोडक्ट है उनके हमें इंग्रेडिएंट्स में जाना चाहिए कि उन्होंने कौन कौन से रिसोर्सेज को यूज़ किया है मेकिंग फॉर द प्रोडक्ट. दैट प्रोडक्ट आर रियली ट्रस्ट और नॉट, हम उसमें ट्रस्ट कर सकते हैं या नहीं, कि वो हमारी हेल्थ के लिए वो सही है या नहीं. जैसे डाबर च्यवनप्राश की एड में हमने देखा था कि धोनी आता है कि उसने डाबर च्यवनप्राश खाया और एकदम एनर्जेटिक हो गया, बट रियलिटी में वो लोग खुद खाते ही नहीं. ओके, हमने ये पेन यूज़ करी और बहुत इतनी फास्ट चलती, सचिन तेंदुलकर है, धोनी सैलो की पेन यूज़ करते हैं, एकदम फास्ट चलती है. तो पीपल आर परचेसिंग दैट कि यस ये जो क्रिकेटर है वो भी ये पेन को यूज़ कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो पीपल आर परचेसिंग एंड अट्रैक्ट फॉर द परचेसिंग ऑफ द सैलो पेन. बट यहाँ पे अगर हम देखें तो 2 रुपीज़ की भी जो 3 रुपीज़ की पेन आती है वो भी हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ डोंट अट्रैक्ट दैट टाइप ऑफ एडवर्टाइजमेंट. ओके, नाउ हियर प्रमोशन अबाउट द एडवर्टाइजमेंट, पब्लिसिटी, ब्रांडिंग. ब्रांडिंग किस तरह से, जो पार्ले बिस्किट पे हमने बच्चे का फोटो देखते हैं, निरमा वॉशिंग पाउडर पे उसके जो ऑनर है निरमा वॉशिंग पाउडर के, तो वो निरमा उस बच्ची का नाम था और वो उसकी डेथ हो गई थी, इसीलिए उस जो ऑनर है उस बच्ची ने जो वॉशिंग पाउडर का जो प्रोडक्ट निकाला वो उसकी बच्ची के नाम पे निकाला था. ठीक है, सो दिस इज टाइप ऑफ पब्लिसिटी एंड ब्रांडिंग. वी कैन ट्रस्ट ऑन द टाइप ऑफ प्रोडक्ट. ओके, so this is promotion and this is our expenses ever at a very large amount. Okay, but it is a profitable when it's boosting in the purchasing of product by the customer and consumer. So this is the marketing management, how it's work in the market and how we can get the information, and we are decide our functions according to about the product. We decide the price, we distribute the goods to the customer, and we promoting our goods to the direct customer, so we can satisfy our customer and consumer, and they can retain in our business, and we are stand in the market in a number 1. Okay, so this is the marketing management concept and function area of the marketing management. I hope you all are got it. Now, second is HRM, that is human resource management. Okay, now here HRM is a process which takes into consideration like proficiency, knowledge, intelligence, like personal development of employees, and it integrate with the business objective and channelize the business toward the path of success of the business. Means here HRM department's function is to take care of these points of proficiency, knowledge, skill, okay, enhance in the individual employees, so that points we integrate with the business objective, so we achieve the success of the business. ओके, अगर हम एम्प्लॉयज़ की इन बातों को ध्यान में रखें, उनकी जो उन्हें क्या पसंद है क्या नहीं, ओके, उनकी प्रोफिशिएंसी, उनकी स्किल किस में है, इन विच एक्टिविटी दे आर मोर एक्टिव, ओके, तो उन सब बातों को ध्यान में रखिए, उनके पर्सनल डेवलपमेंट को एनहांस करना एंड वो बिजनेस की गोल के साथ में अटैच करना, so we are achieve our goal in a right way as soon as possible. Okay, so this type of functions of management HRM, and this is meaning of the HRM. Now here some characteristics and some importance of the HRM. Okay, HRM is a very wider topic, and I am including just some key points of the HRM characteristics and importance, but it is a very wider topic. Okay, HRM include recruitment, selection, training, direction, coordination, satisfaction level of the employees, motivate to the employees. Recruitment is a give a right job of the employee at a right time, at a right post, at right place. Here 4P are included. Okay, right time, 4P need T and P. Okay, right time, right place, right post. Okay, and right person. 4P recruitment of the HRM. Now selections. When we are recruiting, we are see this type of points. Then we are appoint to employees. Okay. If there is need of the training, we give training for a particular job, for a particular activity. Okay. So we are reducing the minimum resources of cost, and we are get output or maximum output from the resources. Now here HRM enable to accomplish business objective attached with their individual objective. We are not focused only the business objective. We are focusing on the individual employees' job satisfaction, their objective also. Because if they are satisfied, so they give 100% on the business, and they are working as a self, their own work. Okay, if we are not free from them financially and mentally, they are pressuring, and they are not working well and systematically and according to the time. So here we are focused not only business objective, we are attached with their individual objective also. Their wealth, increasing in their wealth, increasing their welfare. They free from financial to them and their family, give education, provide to their child. Okay, these types of activity if we are doing for the employees, so they are motivated and they are doing working very well in manner. Okay, now HRM is basic function is employee are asset of the business. So here the job satisfaction level of the employees, all these points are included in this. Employees are asset of the business because here resources are land, money, and building, machinery, equipment. These all are resources, but they are not living. Here employee also resources, but they are living. So first we are focused on the employee satisfaction level of the job, because if they are appointing in this job, they also hope and they also objective and goal from the business. Okay, so if we are focused on them, they also are focusing on the business. So it is a basic function. It is keeping on mind in HRM is employees are asset of the business. Now it is satisfied to employee for their job, so they develop their self. They increasing in their proficiency, knowledge, intelligence. So they are doing work in a proficiency manner. They are doing working at a time, at a systematically with minimum cost of resources and utilization of maximum resources. Okay. So increase in work proficiency. Next is efficiency in employee, reduce labor turnover rate and retain in long time period of time in the business. Here labor turnover rate means here employees are leave from the job. So if they are leave from the job, so we are again repeat the process of recruitment, selection, training, give direction to them, supervise to them. So here it is a too expensive and too long process. So जो एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं उन्हीं एम्प्लॉयज़ की एफिशिएंसी को बरकरार रखते हैं, उन पे ध्यान रख के अगर हम उन्हें स्किल इंक्रीजिंग करते हैं, उनकी स्किल इंक्रीज करते हैं, उनकी सेटिस्फेक्शन लेवल को इंक्रीज करते हैं, तो वो जॉब छोड़ के नहीं जाएंगे. सो इट इज़ रिड्यूसिंग लेबर टर्नओवर रेट एंड जो एम्प्लॉयज़ है वो हमारे लॉन्ग टर्म पीरियड में रिटेन होंगे हमारे बिजनेस में. जो हमारा एक्सपेंसेस हमें फिर रिपीट नहीं करनी पड़ेगी इस प्रोसेस को. जो एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं वही हमारे लंबे समय तक रहने वाले होंगे. तो इट इज़ reducing in expensive, it is reducing in a process of HRM, it is reducing in a labor turnover rate. Okay, create a harmony and peace environment in business. They are boosted at all the time. If we are coordinate our employees and create harmony on among them, so it create environment as a peace. Okay, so here all the time they are boosting, they are motivated, they are doing working very well in a manner, in a systematic manner. Okay, this is the characteristics of the HRM. Now here importance of the HRM. Efficiency of employees increasing. Okay. Here when we are doing HRM function very well and we are follow this characteristic, so it is increasing in the efficiency of the employees. Okay. Now profitability of the business. How? of the time, so they achieve their goal on a time. So it is a profitable, and it is reducing in labor turnover rate, and employees are retained long time, so it is profitable of the business. There is so many reason of the profitable of the business increasing when we are using this function area of HR. Okay. Now, maximum utilization of production is done. Of course, because it is enhancing in the proficiency of work in employees, so we are complete our activity according to time. So here maximum utilization of production is done. Okay, so we are achieving our goal at on a time. Now here job satisfaction among employees. When we are focused this type of points and we are attach our goal with the individual employees goal and enhancing their self-development, so they are satisfying from this job and they cannot leave at any time in the business. Okay, it creates environment industrial peace. This is character and this is also an importance of the HRM also, because when we are follow this type of character, we are get advantages of this in the business. Okay, so it creates environment of peace, industrial peace, and it create in a society at a peace. Okay, so it also development of the society as well as national level. Okay, I hope you all are clear this point function area of HRM and how it's important in the business. Okay, in the next lecture we will discuss next another function area of the management. Thank you so much. And some students have not booked, they download the application Gujarat State Board. Okay, in that application there are two medium, Gujarati and English. Both medium available from 1 to 12. So if you have not booked on account in any subject, you can download the Gujarat State Board. Okay, you cannot purchase, if you want to not purchase the book, you can download it. Okay, thank you so much.